Hi everybody, welcome once again. My name is Nantlandla and welcome to the Harvest. Thank you kindly for sharing your time with me. Today I'll be going into detail about having an overdraft facility and what you need to know as a beginner. So what is an overdraft? An overdraft is a form of short-term financing that is conveniently linked to your current or check account. What do I mean when I say financing? I mean, it's a form of a loan or credit. So you must use it responsibly on unexpected expenses like car repairs and medical expenses. Overdrafts ensure timely payments to avoid penalties on things like unpaid debit orders. An account can be taken into overdraft facility when a payment or a charge is taken from an account and there is no sufficient funds to cover that payment or charge. There are two types of overdraft facilities: an unarranged overdraft and an arranged overdraft. An unarranged overdraft can occur when you spend more money than you have in your account and haven't previously arranged a limit. Fees are charged on the amount that you have overdrawn. An arranged overdraft is a set amount that you can borrow that you have agreed with your bank. Your bank will charge interest and other fees on top. Overdrafts may start as low as 500 rands and go up to as much as 300,000, depending on the bank that you are using. Overdrafts are reviewed yearly, so it is imperative that you do not misuse them, as they can be taken away and they can also affect your credit score. Fees charged on overdrafts: initiation fee, which is paid once off, a monthly fee, and interest on the portion of the overdraft limit that you have used. Be careful when utilizing overdrafts, as they can be very expensive. They have high interest rates that can go up to as much as 40%. This interest can be greatly affected by your credit score. The lower your credit score, the higher the interest rates. The higher your credit score, the lower the interest rates. The required documents to apply for an overdraft facility include a valid South African identity card, proof of income, which might be a 3-month bank statement or pay slips for 3 months. Lastly, proof of residence, no less than 3 months. Well, that is it from me today. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Goodbye.